Welcome back to Pree Dis, of course, a vibe with Casmar. We're still here at Dolphin Cove, all the way in Ocho Rios. So right now, we're going to head on over to Antigua and get a vibe of this music video by Them Island Boyz and Jamaican reggae singer Jah Cure. It's called Kiss Me Girls. Yo, check out that shark still, you know. Pree Dis.
Lights down low, we jamming. Me and you alone, we rocking that thing like say we have to take things slow. You are living proof of what them pretty sexy girls are about. My girl, I wanna take you to my home and show you what real top shot road boys all about. I bet you not gonna ever wanna go home. You be feeling for me, girl, oh you want fire, oh you burning. Me want to love you up right now. I want to kiss you up and down. Baby girl, just chill, relax.
So right now we're at my favorite part of the show. It's the Lime Top 10 Singles Chart. Now we want to find out this week who is #1. Now will Konshens still hold the #1 spot? Or this week Vegas will broke it down. Brock. Find out right here on Pree Dis. Now remember, anywhere you're going, you have to be prepared. Ride rough, ride safe.
It up and wind up my body.
Love how you sit down and wine pon your head. You want the boom, them gyal the wine dead. Baby that split they a mash up me head. Me and me gyal a touch till we jump off a.
Turn up, mash up, big turn up. Me say me turn up.
Them in a pass, I guess I who fan name a call. It about them show you good up and keep the city small. Them name no good.
Yeah. Set good balance. Me reach at the party just begun. 6 o'clock in the morning party, no done. Girl a wine bus drive and taxi man. Toby, get jealous and backsy van.
Hey girl, just stick it for me, check it for me. Wind up your body and check it for me. Dash out the loving and check it for me. Yeah. Over your son and me love you.
Come, just let it go. I face this life the hard way.
You know, is your love is life changing, and I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life saving. You always can.
Who know fi whining at the road? Rock out on the line in at the road. All the treasure who know finding at the road. Don't stop standing at the road.
I love you, I love you. I'm missing you like crazy. Missing you again.
Broke it on.
See no host, me a rave and a wait for the sun to come out.
Gala bubble, gala bubble, gala bubble, dem a bubble, gala bubble, gala bubble, gala bubble, dem a bubble.
Alright, thank you guys so much for sticking with us this week. Of course, I want to say big up to the management and staff at Dolphin Cove. You're respecting our brother. Mad. And of course, remember to follow us at Pree Dis Show so we can talk to each other during the show. Because we're not afraid for talking. We talk. Remember to like our Facebook page as well. Big up Tempo. Big up Flow TV. Jamaica, we love you. And of course, Karib Cable in Antigua and Barbuda. Thank you guys so much for watching with us. And of course, same time, same place. Don't forget to tune in. And until then, go on, Pree Dis.